Ito po ang kanyang first dental appointment. Wala nang ma-adapt namin siya. She is 4 going on 5 na anuhan.
Yeah, next year.
Yeah,
Oh,
this year.
this year.
Yeah. So, I know hindi siya maging masaya pero kinakailangan.
Lily, we don't have food.
So kaya po yun.
Si Lily nag-give up na. Oh, hindi pa rin? Yeah. Dito na kami sa kanyang
Critter Fixer.
Critter
Ito po ang
Fixer.
veterinary clinic kung saan namin lagi dinadala si Lily.
nandito rin siya dito rin namin siya binoboard, no?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Yes. Pag nag-travel kami, dito namin siya iniiwan.
Okay, so yeah, it would like if we do, it would be with the doctor. But if she's having trouble with her tooth,
Yeah, the turtle here.
Oh,
we have here is this
Doon pala lahat. Oh, look at that. They're mostly, look. They're the same. Lily, look. Uh-oh. Yan. So, ito yung inuupan lagi ni Lily. Pag kami, So, yan. Akala ni Lily siguro tutulog siya doon ng ilang araw.
Yeah, I know.
Kaya
Okay, pauwi naman po kami. Na-drop off na namin si Lily. So, mamaya na kami tatawagan.
Tesla.
Pinakita po namin yung Target. This is the album na pinick up namin doon.
So, let's see kung naibaba yung kanta ni Taylor Swift kapag kapag sa vinyl. Kung may additional na mga okay, let's do it. Okay, that's nice. Nice. Ito na siya. Papakinggan na natin siya kung ang opalite iiba. Tignan natin kung opalite ay iba at saka yung
So, ito po yung iba pa namin mga albums na nabanggit. Coldplay, of course, Taylor Swift, pati yung mga songs ng what was it? The Deadpool and Wolverine. Yeah, magaganda rin ng mga mga collection. Of course, Bruno Mars. Meron pa hong iba. So, let's go ahead and... Oh, got that Ninja Go person over there.
let's see.
I heard you calling on the megaphone, but my mama told me
Kapi na namin si Lily.
Cool. Nandito.
Okay, hintay ko muna yan kay Lily.
top, and I'll pronounce it.
Na-pick up na namin si Lily. Malinis na ang ngipin. How's the baby girl? Meron pa kaming pa-take out gift
Yeah.
bag.
Lily, how you doing?
Gift bag for my baby.
You ready to go home?
Ready to go home? Lily, ano nangyari? Ba't ka nakulot? Lily,
Sinukla yan. Nabasa siya.
Lily, ba't ka nakulot? Lily. 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 Are you okay, girl? Huh? Are you? ba yung ginawa kay Lily doon? Ang tahimik.
Merong measuring cup.
Sa dental appointment niya.
Sipilyo.
Kanyang toothbrush. Mostly this is for big dogs.
Yeah. Meron din pen. Baka magsulat
Lily.
ng Lily.
Pwede na magsulat si Lily.
Merong pouch.
Oh,
Para sa
pwede
mga
nang pumasok si Lily.
Pwede nang pumasok.
Lalagyan ng papel.
And then ang pinakamalaki itong
Mga treats
Sa mga
niya.
treats.
Anong treats? Oh, ang lalaki ng treats. Pang malaking aso to. Pwede ba to kay Lily? Ang lalaki nito. Yup. At ito na, ang aming si Lily.
Yan,
All
stress
clean.
pa.
Stress
All
na
clean
stress.
pero stress.
Umiyak na yata doon,
Yeah.
ang daming luha.